get out of the mountains?
Oh, about 25 snores ago.
Why do we have to go home anyhow? I wish we could stay up there forever.
Yeah, that's a nice thought. But your mother said that she'd have my hide if I didn't get you back in time for school in the morning.
What's going on, Grandpa?
Looks like we've got a cracked radiator hose. Ow!
What's that mean?
It means that we're not going to get much further unless we get it fixed. Come on, get in. Let's see if we can get down to that farmhouse.
Looks like you folks are having a bit of trouble.
Yeah, cracked a radiator hose about a mile up the road. We're hoping maybe you could help us out.
Well, let's see. Got a full of duct tape there in the shed. That'll hold you till you can get to a garage. There is one on down the road about 30 miles.
Ah, good.
See how this works.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Say, haven't I seen you somewhere before?
Well, I don't know. I'm not from around these parts, really.
I know I've seen you before. I just can't place where. What's your name?
Henry Bracton.
Henry Bulldog Bracton, MVP of the 47 World Series? Oh, be jiggered. I can't believe it. Bulldog Bracton right here in my yard. I still remember the home run you hit to win the series. I never saw a ball fly so high in my life.
Well, that was a long time ago.
That had to be the greatest home run of all time.
Grandpa, hurry, come look at this funny chicken.
What?
The funny chicken over here. See, look.
See, I found my prize hen, Tilly.
Prize hen?
A few years ago, one of my boys found an abandoned eagle's nest. All the eggs were cracked but one. On a lark, he brought it home and put it under one of our setting hens. That's where Tilly came from.
Yeah, but she's an eagle, not a chicken. She ought to be out soaring to great heights, mastering the wind, not sitting on the ground like a overgrown hen.
What you say may be true if she were an eagle. But Tilly's always thought of herself as a chicken. She's always acted like a chicken, and therefore she's become a chicken. There's nothing anybody can do about it.
Charles. Take Bobby. We already got all the players we need. You guys can have Henry.
No, we've already got everybody we need. You take him.
Sorry, Henry, we don't need you.
Besides, he couldn't hit a ball if his life depended on it.
They didn't want me to play. They said I was no good.
Do you believe that? Nobody knows your true potential except yourself. It's a matter of seeing what other people can't see and doing what other people can only imagine, okay? Come on, look up. A good ball player always sees where he's going to hit the ball. He'll never make a home run looking at the ground. Huh? Okay.
How much would you sell that bird for?
Tilly? She's not for sale.
But I think I know how I can make her fly.
Oh, no offense, but I don't think the Wright brothers could make Tilly fly. She may look like an eagle on the outside, but at heart, she's just a chicken. Not worth the effort.
Oh, please, you gotta let me try. Everything and everyone deserves at least one chance to reach their potential.
Okay, why not? I figure anybody that could make baseballs fly the way you did just might be able to make a chicken fly.
How will the funny chicken know how to fly, Grandpa?
Oh, when she feels the breeze ruffle her feathers and sees the sun beckoning in the sky, there's something inside of her that'll tell her what she really is. You're an eagle, not a chicken. Now spread your wings and fly.
Oh, don't be. You tried, and that's what's important. Now, next time, just aim a little higher. All right? Good job.
Where are we going, Grandpa?
Higher. This is home. This is where you belong. This ought to do it.
Why do we come up here?
Sometimes you need a better view of the goal before you can reach it. You're an eagle, not a chicken. Spread your wings and fly.
Well, maybe the farmer was right, Grandpa. Maybe all she was ever meant to be is a chicken.
Henry, you out here? Coach tells me you're quitting the team. You know, life's not a coast downward. It's a constant climb up. Every step we take should bring us closer to the summit of our expectation. If we continually reach higher and higher, ultimately, we'll be able to see where we belong. Come on.
Where are we going now?
Higher.
Tired, Grandpa. How much longer?
Oh, not much. Just up around this next bend. You are an eagle, not a chicken. You were meant to fly. Spread your wings and soar. The world will be yours.
This is it, folks. Henry Bulldog Bracton steps to the plate. Bottom of the ninth, bases loaded, 2 outs, and the Yankees trail 9-3 in this, the 7th game of the World Series.
It doesn't look good for the Yanks right now. Bracton's performance hasn't been exactly good.
Larson looks in, gets the sign.
But Bracton's only batting .110 for the series, and it'll definitely take a miracle to pull this one off.
Here's the pitch. Swing and a miss. Strike one.
Crowd isn't happy with that one, folks. Bulldog has struck out 9 consecutive times in the last 3 games. One more, and it'll be a new record. I just don't understand the strategy, Joe. They should have a pinch hitter in there.
Ralph, I agree 100%. Here's Larson's pitch. Fastball. Swing and a miss. Strike 2.
Well, folks, it looks like Bracton is destined to fail yet again. Just one pitch stands in the way of the Dodgers World Championship. Now, Bracton's just not cut out for this kind of pressure.
Here's the 0-2 pitch.
Grandpa, look, he's flying, he's flying. How did you make the eagle fly?
I didn't make her fly, Jennifer. It was her heart. She was an eagle all along. She just couldn't see where she belonged.